try and understand my situation, will you? What I got is a boy singer and an 8-piece polka orchestra. You understand? Try Chevalier. You know any Chevalier? The guys come back from France. They like that sound. Chevalier? Chevalier. Yeah.
Hey, man, I play that stuff. I killed people, you know? This is 1917. You look a little more hip to me than that. I'd rather get a job in a post office.
Yeah, well, in that case, boy, let's forget it.
Yeah, let's forget it. That's what I said.
No, that's what I said.
No, that's what I said.
No, I said forget it.
I said it. I forgot it.
Forget about it, boy.
The nightingales could sing like you. They'd sing much sweeter than they do. 'Cause you brought a new kind of love to me. Play. If the Sandman brought me dreams of you, I thought a dream my whole life through. 'Cause you brought a new kind of love to me. I know that I'm a queen, you're a king. Still I understand that underneath it all, I'm a girl and you're a man. I would work and slave my whole life through if I could hurry home to you. 'Cause you brought a new kind of love
And you dance.
to me.
Not you. What's the matter with you? You crazy? Let's see the legs. The legs.
Yeah. Hard work, I'd slave my whole life through just to hurry home to you. 'Cause you brought a new kind of love to me. Oh, you brought a new kind of love to me. Oh, new love.
That's it. You're making a boy-girl act. You start tomorrow night, 3 shows nightly, you're off Sundays.